sprint. I don't know, feels like you're ramping up. We got another 20 minutes in you, or what do you think? We want to drink hot fight wine. You guys have
They're left after 4 miles.
To the point that's kind of funny. Like, it's so selfish. You're like, oh, that's unbelievable. I can't do it like that. I was in the car and I was thinking,
jackass.
Everybody goes, oh, that's good, yeah. I'm like, all right, we'll get a lid when you're up there next, and we can take you home. And I just grab me Chipotle. Yeah. All right. Oh my gosh. Jesus. What the hell, man?
Current loop video is now locked.
You're an idiot. I was like, yes, I love Beetlejuice. It's such a funny movie.
I don't think I've ever watched Beetlejuice.
Oh, you guys gotta watch it. What is wrong with people today? I had a BMW almost hit me and another
Current loop
passenger.
video is
After
now
picking
locked.
her up, that idiot comes out.
The Lions have a much bigger hole to fill in. And don't forget, it's not just Aiden Hutchinson, but they've lost Davenport, they lost Kaminsky, they lost Barnes. They have lost a ton of defensive ends this year. So it's going to be very interesting to see what Aaron Glenn decides to do if to get pressure. He may have to blitz. Is he going to blitz a hell of a lot more? Or is he just going to sit back and play zone? But you're going to see a defensive tackle playing defensive end in some capacity. I mean, Aleem McNeil, the interior defensive lineman, he just got paid. Yeah, he's a very, very good football player. But are they going to be able to put pressure on Sam Darnold? That's going to be the big question.
And Musk, couple of things to keep the ears on the KFAN Vikings radio network. Their corners, Terrion Arnold and Carlton Davis, they have 9 combined pass interference penalties, 1 and 2 in the NFL. And the Lions are down their starting right guard, Kevin Zeichler. He's scratched today, so they have a replacement on the most.
a marketer, go to iHeartResults.com.
On Thanksgiving Day 1999, 5-year-old Cuban boy Elian Gonzalez was found off the coast of Florida.
Mr. Gonzalez wanted to go home, and he wanted to take his son with him. Imagine that your mother died trying to get you to freedom.
Listen to Chess Piece, the Elian Gonzalez story on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Open your free iHeart app and search Chess Piece, the Elian Gonzalez story, and start listening.
Hey friends, I'm Jessica Capshaw.
And this is Kendall Luddington.
And we have a podcast. Call it what it is. You may know us from Graceland Memorial, but did you know we are actually besties in real life?
And as all besties do, we know
tickets at ordway.org.
For a limited time at Speedway, get 2 big pizza slices in your favorite Coca-Cola 20-ounce for only $5 with Speedy Rewards. Choose from classic 3 cheese, pepperoni, or extreme meat pizza. Save big with a
bad. Get them martinis at the push of a button. Make bar-quality cosmopolitans, martinis, Manhattans, and more. All in just 30 seconds. All for $100 off. Amazing toys aren't just for kids. Shake your phone and get $100 off when you spend $400.
You report, you decide. Your Fox News update is on. Twin Cities News.